Okay guys, I decided to put this video at the end because it would have looked a little bit strange if I had put it into the sort of building the site section and had a different design all the way through when you were watching the videos following that, looking at the old design. All I've done here is I've gone into CTR theme and I've changed the actual sub theme that I'm using. And if you remember the site that we were copying from Flipper, he had his ads on the right hand side. So what I've done is I've taken off those two images that was here and I've put in a couple of banner rotators here, so both of them have got the same banners, but they will always hopefully be rotating different banners, and we still kept this one here. It's not ideal, but it's good enough for what I want, for the purposes I want to do here. So if I just reload this, hopefully it's going to change the adverts and rotate them, and I'll show you how that's done and which plugin we used for that as well. It's very, very simple to use. Let's give it a second. Camtasia makes the computer really, really slow. Just a very, very plain, simple site, but you know, hopefully it'll make them just click on the adverts. Yeah, so here we go, and what it's done here is pulled the same two adverts, and if I did it again, it usually comes up different. I've tried it a couple of times and it should work okay. Anyway, so let's just go and take a look at that advert, the widget. It's called Ad Codes. If you type in Ad Codes into the plugins and add new, you will find this there. And what we do here, we just put in the code that I got from Commission Junction, add this little bit of script here. It's got it down here in the bottom right hand corner, and so you put that in between each advert, and then that should rotate banners every time that you refresh. So if I go and refresh this again, and I'm going to pause it while it refreshes because it takes time with the Camtasia. Okay, this time it's just showing one advert here, but normally if I click it again, this happens sometimes, and normally if I click it again, it will bring up two again. So it's working. It's going to work better if Camtasia is not on. It's not the most beautiful site in the world, but it's good enough for what I need it to do right now. And if we can get this into page one, probably the easiest thing for me to do is just to list it in Flipper immediately and just point out the site that was making $3.5 grand and sold for 19 grand, and see if I can get some money for it. And that will fund some other sites, and we'll just go and do the same thing again and go and raid Flipper for ideas. And from there it should be, you know, plain sailing really, to just rinse and repeat this kind of stuff. It's not a lot of work in here at all. Having the edge domain helped as well with it, to help with the rankings a little bit. Pushing it into #1 shouldn't be too much of a problem from this point forward, and we'll see how that ends up, and we'll do another video when that's happened. Alright, see you later, bye.